In this video, I will show you the best synthetic indices pair to trade as a complete beginner. Trading the right pair is going to help you become profitable very fast. Synthetic indices are completely different from that of what the forex market, the stock market, crypto market, indices, and other financial markets. If you stay till the end of this video, you are going to learn a lot. So, what are synthetic indices? Synthetic indices are just like machine-generated markets. These are markets that copy the behaviors of traditional indices. So we have like synthetic indices and we have indices. So now, what are these synthetic indices and how they tend to operate? These are machine-generated markets. Okay, you can trade them 24/7, and also they have like different trends and also volatilities. What do I mean by this? It means like these indices tend to move in an upward trend, downward trend, and also they tend to range just like other markets. And also they have like different volatilities of different speed, which means like you have the pairs that are very slow, the ones that are moderate, and the ones that are high. So now, as a complete beginner, if you don't have a Deriv account, just check the link in the comment section. I'll pin the link. You create and verify your account, and make sure you watch our other video on how you can connect your real account or your demo account to MetaTrader 5. So just check the Deriv playlist. You are going to see all these videos. Now, this account is like a real account. I'll show you the pairs to trade and how you can become profitable very fast. The first thing you need to do is like you go to this quote area. When you go to this quote area, you go towards this chart icon. This is the Deriv standard account. With the Deriv standard account, you can trade almost all financial markets, crypto, stocks, option, and currencies, and the like. So when you tab here, you're going to see Deriv allow you to trade over 27 cryptocurrency, but that's not our area. Let's pay attention to the categories of synthetic pairs. So you have the crash and the boom indices, about 14. So if you tap, all right, you have like crash 150, boom 150, boom 1,500, 1,000, and all. So these are all individual pair. Just like for those that have been trading forex, you have EURUSD as a pair. So these are also the same. So now, what I will advise, if you want to trade any crash and boom, you go with crash 50 and boom 50. 50 is okay, boom 50 also is okay. So you can start with this one in case you want to trade from this particular category. Now if you go again here, you have the next category that are volatility indices. We have about 25. So if you tab here, you have different one, the volatility 10, 25. Now you might want to ask, boss, what are these volatilities? Volatilities are the strength or the momentum, okay, the speed of that particular pair. It means like this pair has like 10% strength, this one has 25%, this one has 50%, 75, 100, and so on. Okay, so this one you have like different ones here, but I will recommend you start with volatility 5. It means like this particular pair has like 5%. If you just touch, then it's going to be added. Now you might want to ask, I'm seeing volatility 5 index and volatility 5 1s index. Yes, are they the same or they are different? These are different pairs. So this V5 move every 2 seconds. All right, with this volatility 5 index, every 2 seconds, that's when you get movement. For this volatility 5 1s, every 1 second, you are going to have a movement. So you can start with both, all right, the V5 and the V5 1s. Then also you can add V10, all right, and you look forward to the V10 1s as well. So these are beginner friendly pairs that I recommend for the volatilities. If you want also another pair, one of my favorite pair for volatility indices is going to be this one of my pairs is going to be the V150. Yes, volatility 151s. Okay, so this one also tends not to move aggressively compared to others, and even the volatility 50 as well. So you can either trade volatility 5 1s, volatility 10, 10 1s, 150, volatility 50, all right, and even volatility 5 under the volatilities. You might want to ask, Paul, is this compulsory for me to trade volatilities, trade crash, boom, and all? No, you can just focus on one particular category of pairs, okay? But in case you want to trade the step indices also, I will only recommend you to trade step index. All right, instead of like step 200, 300, 400, 500, these ones are very aggressive. They move heavily. You can make more profit, or you also tend to lose your cash. So Now, you might also notice something. Step index, yours might be step 100. So step index 100 or step index are just the same pair in case, okay? Then another thing is going to be you tab here. You have another category that are called jump. You have jump 10, jump 25, 50, 75, 100. You just add what jump 10. So now, don't get confused at all. I'm not telling you like you need to trade all these pairs. All right, I'm not saying you trade all these pairs. All you need to do is like you can select a particular category. If you want to trade volatilities, you can start with V5, V51S, V10, V101S, V150S, and V50 or volatility 50. So the V is like volatility 50. If you want to trade with start with jump, with just only add jump 10. You want to trade step. All right, these are all pair on their own. So this V5 chart is different from the V51S chart. As you see here, this is the selling price, this is the buying price, this is the selling price, this is the buying price. They are all completely what different. Okay, now another thing you need to pay attention to when trading static indices are the lot size. How do you solve this problem? If you bring the lot size you are used to trading forex, then you are going to be in disaster for here. How do you check the lot size? I will just show you one, then the pattern is just the same. Let's say I want to trade volatility 50. To know the lot size, you just tap the pair. You are going to see trade chart details. If you are using Android, you are going to see properties. Tap these details, then you scroll down and you look for what minimal volume and maximal volume. Volume is also the same as lot size. So for this particular pair, the lot size here is 4. So if you want to use 0.01 to open the trade here, it's not going to go at all. All right, 0.01 is not going to be able to open position here. So it starts from what 4. So from 4, using 4 here is just like you using like 0.01. So you just enter. Okay, the trade. Now we have entered what the trade. The account is very small, so you can just use this. All right, I don't want to use like demo account. This is real account. Okay, so this is how you go about like what adding these pairs. These are pairs that are very beginner friendly. Okay, then this is how you check for the lot size. To check for the lot size again, let's do just one. If you want to trade this volatility 10, tap the pair, go to details, and scroll down until you see minimal volume. For this pair, the lot size here is 0.5. All right, and the highest one is 400. So if you want to trade now, if you use 4 here, it's going to be very big. So use 0.5, then you'll be able to enter for your buy or enter for your sell. Hope this video is helpful. If you do have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Check the link in the description to join my free Telegram community where I share free setup and signals on daily basis and also free resources. Thanks a lot. I'm Joseph Sey, the CEO and founder of GSC Academy, the biggest trading community in Sierra Leone.